Welcome back to day 6 of the trip. Today's 20th of August. So what are we up to now?
I took a long time to get ready, sorry, because I was lazy this morning. But we're gonna go get a little breakfast. We had some leftover pizza already, which was really good. And then we're gonna go walk around Old Nice. And oh no, we're actually gonna try the tram, I think.
Yep, and we're gonna check out the market. And hopefully try some Socca or Socca for lunch if it's there.
Socca.
We're headed back to the same place for breakfast this morning. Might get something different.
I don't know.
Might not.
I liked what I got yesterday.
Jenny got the same croissant, but
Cappuccino.
and I still got a beignet, but this time instead of apple I got white chocolate pistachio. I was hoping it tastes good.
Oh, it's beautiful. Just so you can see how small the espresso is. I'll try that today.
Breakfast was great, our second breakfast because we had pizza. Jenny loved her cappuccino. We're gonna go try and get on one of those trams and then head down to Old City to check out the market. Highly recommend Chaud Brioche, the Brioche Chaud,
Brioche.
on this street to get some brekkie.
I can pick it up. Alles innerhalb von 2 Kilometern entfernt.
Looks like they have contactless too, so maybe we can try that next. Let's see how crowded it is. It's gonna be packed. It's a real big close up there.
Very close.
Nice trip. Easier on the legs. Nice and cool. A bit warmer today. Where to now?
I don't know. I think we're just gonna kind of wander and find the market.
Wander and find the market. Alright. This is a cool little square. Chez people supposed to have the best Socca. Maybe we'll go there. Maybe we won't. And now we're gonna go check out the port. Seeing the port today was not in our favor, so we're gonna do a little detour and then
Lots of
find the market.
construction in Nice today.
Today is construction day, and Jenny's making sure I don't run into anything.
Found it.
Made it to the food market. I think there's food. Maybe veggies and fruits.
We made it to the market. We don't know what kind of market.
We gotta look for Chez Theresa for some Socca. Here we go. Made it through the market. A lot of recurring themes of olives, lavender,
in any shape
flowers,
or form.
breads. Yeah,
Smells
basically
very good,
same 3 things. But it was nice. We're gonna walk back into Old City, Old Nice. So the cart we just recorded is the Chez Theresa cart. Cooked the Socca, whatever it's called, down here. And then he takes that little cart of the fresh Socca all the way down to the market, so then they can enjoy it in the market. Very cool.
Hello.
We are making a pit stop for quick Aperol spritz to see if we like them.
Very thing to do. We're gonna try it.
Shout out to Craig Burrows telling me about them. You see them a lot in Italy. So we're gonna try them here in Nice.
Thanks, Craig. Yeah, we found this cute little spot. Got our own little table.
And we'll just hang out, enjoy our drinks, and then we go get some Socca. Getting video or Jenny taking a picture.
I'm excited to try it.
Cheers to this. Bottom.
Oh.
Clinky. That's alcoholic. Ooh.
I don't know if I like that.
They're pretty.
They are pretty.
But it is strong, goodness.
Okay, I felt the need to update because my face was probably ugly when I first tasted it. It was very, very strong, but as we're sipping it, it's getting a lot better. And I really like it.
Yeah.
So thanks, Craig. And the place is Distilleries
€6.80. So better price than on the water.
We're back in the alleyways. It's nice.
Enjoyed our drinks. Now to go find Chez Theresa and get some Socca. Fresh out the oven.
Smells good. Full appearance put on a step.
Yeah. Delicious. I haven't even tried it.
Very fast too.
Yeah.
And you did very well ordering.
I think.
Good job.
Starting with the fresh Socca right out of the oven. Basically they chopped it up, put it in a little paper bag.
Scrapped it. Oh, look at it.
For us to enjoy. It's very hot.
That's hot.
Mm-hmm.
It's crispy and then gooey and yummy.
Socca, and we were saying it right. Very good.
It's kind of if a pancake mixed with a latke, but was not as chunky.
And it strangely reminds me of scrapple. The outside being kind of fatty and crispy, and the inside being gooey. Very strange comparison, but it reminds me of it. I don't know why. Yeah.
Accurate.
This is the second thing we got.
It was pizza.
Paladier?
No. Paderi?
Something.
Pizza Paderi. Pissa Paderi something. But basically, it's a big piece of Sicilian style pizza, I think, with all of these caramelized onions on top, like this big one. And it's cold. And it's really good. I don't think there's any type of sauce on it. Do you?
Maybe underneath the onions.
Delicious.
I'm stealing Socca.
Sneaking Socca.
That was a delicious lunch for only €5.50. Jenny and I split a Socca and a pizza thing, and it was delicious. We recommend, if you're in the old Nice, to go to Chez Theresa.
Yeah, it's great.
Make sure you get it fresh. And now we're gonna head back.
Prochain arrêt.
Here we are.
Gare Chez. Correspondance SNCF.
Corrispondenza con i treni della SNCF.
Gare Chez.
The most pleasant sounding train stop.
She's so excited for your stop.
Back to the hotel. done some chilling. Jenny took a quick nap, and I moved over some video stuff. So I think we're gonna go relax by the pool and do some video editing from our Copenhagen trip. Ready, Jenny?
Ready.
Got a nice little poolside, doing some editing. Can't really see the screen because it's sunny out. Finished up doing some editing. Now we're gonna head out and get changed and maybe get some baguette and cheese and meat and wine. Rosé. We're back at it. Tonight's dinner is an assortment of things we find at the grocery store. What grocery store?
Big grocery store.
Big one, Monoprix.
Monoprix.
Jenny's better at an American French accent than I am.
That makes it more fun for me.
Yeah, she likes to make fun of me. That's cool. She does. I love her. Probably used to seeing these escalators a lot. And the back of Jenny's head.
The back of your head is ridiculous.
Ridiculous.
Alright.
The wall of rosé. But yeah, we'll get refrigerated stuff. Which there is.
This was an adventure.
Yeah, it was.
We're gonna see how this goes.
After wandering around
How long were we in there?
for a fair amount of time, we eventually found what we needed, which is great.
Our biggest obstacle is that we're gonna eat in the hotel.
Yeah.
And we don't have plates or silverware, anything. And apparently neither does the French grocery store.
Yes, everybody has that already. No one needs to buy them ever. So Jenny was smart and walked by the sushi counter and saw chopsticks. So we're gonna try and use that as our cutting utensil tonight, which I think is a great idea.
Spreader.
Yeah.
And we're gonna use our pizza box from last night as our plates.
We're really resourceful when it comes to budget traveling. They didn't have any chilled rosé, so we're gonna go buy it from the place we know has it, and it's $4.
Well, they had chilled rosé. It was just above what we wanted to spend.
Yeah, we got the rosé, and we're ready to eat.
Wow.
Your wine.
Cute.
Cheers.
Yes. So, as an update, we're super pleased with how this dinner turned out. I will be the first to admit that I was a little skeptical about this idea at first, but it turned out really, really great. And we got super lucky on the chopsticks because they've worked out as the best spreaders of fig jam and cheese. And the Bouchon cheese is what we got, and it's really, really good. We like soft brie cheese a lot, and this is pretty similar. It's really good. And we got chorizo and salami and baguette, which is so good. I miss French baguette so much.
And some yummy fig jam.
That's the fig jam. So thank you to Logan for this lovely date night. We're just gonna hang out, eat on our pizza box, drink our rosé out of hotel cups, and we're gonna spend the night doing some editing for our vlogs and just kind of have a night in and hang out.
Pretty fun.
And even when we're in, I don't know if you can see, but we have a view of the city and the mountains, so life's pretty good here in Nice.
C'est bon.